I'm Siene Garvin, and Phoenix Home Remodeling remodeled our kitchen, our lunchroom, and our bedroom. I really enjoyed the ease of use and really kind of catered to our needs and felt like we could kind of do what we needed to do and got a lot of good advice when we needed it. Great communication, no issues. I always felt like if I needed something, people were here. Everything was really smooth and easy, and it made it easier for our family. If I had a question or a concern, or we even, changed some things up along the way, they were so flexible, willing to work with us. Living in the house with construction and 3 kids, they're super respectful. Like, the communication was great. I felt like the outcome was like the renderings. I would absolutely recommend Phoenix Home Remodeling to others. It was about the ease of use and working with someone. Really, it was a much easier process than I had envisioned, and it's more about working with them, working with great people when they're in your house a lot. So friendly, so nice, so considerate, but also, willing to lean in and do the extra thing that you need to help make it a more enjoyable experience.